What's up, Youth Pastors? Paul Turner here from the discipleproject.net, and today I want to offer you some ideas to spice up your next Nerf night. And if you're new to the channel here, thank you for being here. If you like content like this, consider hitting the subscribe button, and you'll get content like this quite often. Listen, I've been doing Nerf November with my youth group for about 3 years, and it's always a lot of fun. If you want to watch a full video of one of our Nerf nights, I'm going to put a link up here, and I'm also going to put a video at the end of this video. I did add a few twists this year, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. The first was how we did our blaster target practice contest. I took bouncy house balls, and I put them on little bits of pool noodles. I put them on the kitchen counter, spread them out, and they made for some great targets. Now, I know what you're asking and saying, Paul, did any of the students hit them? Well, yes. Not all of them, but it was challenging enough. And at one point, I took all the pool noodle bits and I pushed them together, almost like bowling pins, so that they could shoot at it that way, and that worked out quite well. If I had time, I would have used these cones here and set the ball in. It would have been a little bit more challenging because it's kind of sitting in a cup, but I'll save that for the next Nerf November or the next time we play Nerf guns. The second idea is a new game that we did called Take the Money and Run. Now, the setup is simple. All you do is put your tables, make a big arena, make it to where the space in the middle is quite large because it takes a little bit of time to run from behind their barrier out to the middle to then grab the money. Now you say, what money, Paul? Well, I have this wonderful thing here called a money gun. And this money gun is super, super cool. I go out into the middle of the arena and I go, money gun! Take the money and run. And when I am done shooting all the money out, I say, okay, team that collects the most money in 5 minutes, you are the winning team. Now, I tell them if you are hit with a dart, you got to drop whatever money you have, and you have to go back and touch the wall and come back. And so usually you will have students some will be the blasters and they will be blasting the people trying to get the money, while maybe some of the other people go out and they're collecting the money. And so that makes for a lot of chaos and a lot of fun. By the way, if you're interested, I will put a link down to the money gun down below, as well as all the things that I'm talking about. Now, before I get to the last idea I have that we did at our Nerf night, I have put together a full Nerf night guide called the Youth Pastor's Guide to an Epic Nerf Night, which has games, it has rules, it has resources to where to get cool blasters, and all you have to do is sign up for my newsletter, and it's all yours. And after that, you're going to get articles, you're going to get videos, and all kinds of other cool ideas to do with your youth ministry. And if you can't do it in November, that's okay. Why not make this a part of your Christmas party where it's like elves versus reindeer or protect Santa? Okay, last idea. If you have watched sports at all, maybe you have seen somebody get an interception or they hit a home run, and then they show the dugout and somebody's got like a WWE belt or they're wearing a really cool necklace. And I said, well, I need one of those for Nerf night. So I went ahead and made me one of these. How about that? And all it is a very small Nerf gun. Now, once again, links down below if you're looking for the really small ones. And then I just painted it with gold spray paint. Now, this is not perfect. It worked for what I did. Let me give you some tips on how to make it better, or at least better than I did. Now, the first tip is this. I bought this at Lowe's, and this is just plastic chain here. And I had the person that was working there cut it for me. And I got 4 foot lengths. I should have gotten 3 foot lengths. The second thing I should have done was I should have primed this first. Now, I don't know if you can tell on this, maybe not, but there are spots on here. It's rubbing, and the gold is coming off a little bit. I should have primed it first with black paint and then painted it gold. I think it would have endured much better, but you know what? A quick spray paint on it and it'll be fine. Now, the last thing I did, let me show you the way I got it on here, the way I got it to connect here is, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I had them cut the last chain so I could loop it through, and it's quite easy to do. So you can just see that. I just pull it like that. And I did both sides so then I can link it in and then take it off if I need to. But for the ones who won our little blaster target practice, they enjoyed taking a picture with it, and then their picture goes on the wall. But those are my 3 ideas that'll make your Nerf night even more epic. Tell me what you think about some of these ideas. Which do you like the best? Do you do a Nerf night with your youth group? What kind of things do you do with them? Leave me some comments down below. I'd love to hear about it. And listen, if you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. That tells me you like it and you want more of it. And don't forget to check out that Nerf video that I talked about earlier. And if you're looking for more just regular youth group game ideas, well, I'll put that list over here somewhere as well. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you hanging out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good week, everybody.